What is up everyone, it's Alex here. This is your stimulus check update, your second stimulus check update and your stimulus package update for today. I got excellent news for you today, but before we get into the video, I just want to let you know that you are amazing, and if you enjoyed this video in any way, shape or form, so please consider giving it a like and sharing it on social media. Alright, here's the great update for you. President Trump was just asked if the American people can expect a second stimulus check from him. His response was, the answer is yes, we are working with Congress on it right now. President Trump confirmed that another round of direct payments are on their way, but did not say anything about how much is going to be or in what conditions the next round of direct payments are going to come, if there is going to be a lower income threshold or not. He also said that if the next relief package would not contain what they think it's needed for the economy and for the jobs, he would absolutely veto the bill. That's a very big statement from the president. Moving on, the Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin just said a few moments ago that the administration supports another round of direct payments for the people, an extension of the enhanced unemployment benefits with a little bit of tweaks that are going to be made to the unemployment benefits, and a much more targeted PPP program. He also said that once the Senate gets back from recess, the administration is going to sit on a bipartisan basis with the Republicans and Democrats, and it will be their priority to make sure that between July 20th and the end of July, the next relief package and the next relief legislation is going to be passed. This is, in my opinion, incredible information. The time frame and everything looks so much nicer and so much clearer right now, and it was about time to have more concrete information about the timing, the support of a second stimulus check, and whatever is going to happen in the future. So if this will be taken into consideration, if this will move forward as the Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin just said, you can expect a second stimulus check pretty soon, like by mid-August, the end of August. The majority of the people who already have the direct deposit information on file with the IRS should already receive the second stimulus check, because the process, the streamlining of the checks is going to be much faster, because since the information is already on file with the IRS, all they have to do is just press a few buttons to send the money to the people. So very good looking times ahead, and I'm really happy to be able to bring you this piece of information today. Alright, I want to keep this short for you to enjoy this piece of information. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and you found it useful. If you did so, please consider smashing the like button for the YouTube algorithm, because it tremendously helps this channel out. Feel free to subscribe if you want to learn more about personal finance, investing, and stay up to date with the stimulus news. And until next time, take care, have a wonderful day, and don't forget that you are amazing.